See the storm, rain. Got that back on. Look at that. Ugh. Damn mice. Shit, try runners. See, let me get this mice shit out of here and get these plugs out. Alright, sorry, rain. It's got the new gasket on. All the spark plugs changed, and I always start with the right. Nah, I'd be. But yeah, we get this on and finish this up for the night. It's late. Out. Got the doo-doo out there too, somewhat. On the way to get the windshield replaced, and it's raining. I got terrible wipe. The issue. So let me get back to it. It's looking good, man. I dropped it off. You got some crazy ass speed bumps, but replacing that. Let me grab my dang boots and hoodie because that stuff smells weird still. You got crew with the new windshield. Stuff the shop. Sitting here looking good. Wouldn't look perfect, man. Look at this. Whee! I never had a clean one of that clean. It looks great. You gotta get the bumper and headlight. Let me get up more road, you know. Man, that shit, you gotta clear it is. It's so fucking clean. It's fucking nice. I'm at the driving job. Got chopped cheese in the garage. Headlights just came in, so I'm gonna pull them, put it on. Probably, I might prop them, but I probably should so I get better content in. So we can pop that light real quick. Way better already. It just needs the rest of this wrapping this fucking new bumper. That's gonna be Gucci. Look at that. 11 minutes before these ugly things come off. And new black housing. I'm turn them on real quick. Get them till they're on. It's way better in person. Man, finally. It's coming together, man. Like the last one. I wish it was orange though. If it was orange, way better. Windshield headlights. Let's take it a bumper now and press this wrap. Make it look good. I'm happy that looks good. So yeah, I'll see y'all. Okay, it's with the bumper a little bit more fixed. It's still smacked, but I hate the damn hood. If only had a black hood and fucking bumper, I could do it now. It would look way better. Or it's the wrap come off easy, which is not proven because it's not hot out. So yeah, I'm gonna get to this Optima real quick. Get back to y'all later. There are no outside shenanigans and off the Q50. The borrows like usual. Cause I don't got my own wheels on the Mustang. I actually got the wheels in the back. Let me try them too. But yeah. I like the RPF ones. RPF 1 CEs. I gotta figure out what. Don't look bad. That's one fits good too. Got it. Let me go try these other wheels to see. First time vlogging, man. This is funny. We got the camera now. But yeah, we out here at the park. And yeah, I'm gonna show the Eclipse. I ain't got a mic for this camera yet, so probably it's gonna sound funny, even if I use this, to be honest with you. This is weird, I never vlogged, but first time, so let me show the car. Just got it done. record. This camera look way better than the phone, bro. It's dirty. It's got done raining. I don't know how good this mic sounds, bro. That's the only thing I hate, but yeah. You got it running and driving. I done put like, I want to say like 500-600 miles on it, and it's doing good so far. As you can see, since last on camera, a lot has changed. Really not much, just the wrap got taken off. I got the video of putting the headlights on, the tent. Yeah, it's looking good. You see, can't see up in it. Get the park, it's nice and quiet here. I need to get a mic. I don't know how good this is gonna sound. I'm sad to say that, but that's definitely my next buy is a mic. Got the spark plugs for it. I did the timing, and the timing is as seen. I'm pretty sure it skipped the tooth. It's a little off. So I'm probably gonna get somewhere, it's taken somewhere, get timed again. Water pump actually changed instead of just changing the belt. I shouldn't have messed with it, but now live and learn, man. It's doing good still. Spark plugs. Clutch is doing good, lightweight flyway, everything's good with it. I just gotta get a bumper, hood, and put this wrap off of it. Which is, the engine has been doing good so far. But yeah. So yeah, hood, bumper, need to get. This side's looking the best side. Just gotta get that pillar thing. So I changed colors, a new trunk, but I'm already just gonna put a wrap off that. So go black, some new wheels. Yeah, man, look how quiet it is out here. It's probably the second time being in this park. I like this park a lot. Pretty good. And just got it pouring too. Little Batmans. That one good. Quick. New bumper too I need to get. I had that one before like working. I just gotta hook the other one up once it's the new bumper. Just gotta get the first get detailed. It still kind of stinks in the interior. Usual. Get it detailed, get a front bumper, get a hood, put this wrap, get some new wheels. And I'm gonna be done with it for a while. And the headlight's still on. Wow. At least the fog stays on. So yeah. But just get up out of here, man. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. See y'all. See how it sounds. Shit. Shit out of focus quick. Flooded old park with the Eclipse still. Ooh. I need to get my shaking under control fully. But nah. I was editing the video and I was just seeing like how much I didn't really talk about the car. Like I said, man, this is my second Eclipse. I had a 06, same here, 4-cylinder SC. It was orange. See my old videos I got of it. And I didn't get to really talk much about how I feel about this one. This one, you know, I bought it fairly cheap, $1,600. Got 117,000 miles, 6-speed. She was ugly. She needed a clutch. I don't know what it is. It needed a clutch, and yeah, this had a risk taker. And I've been looking for one of these for years, so bit the bullet, bought it, put a clutch in it, decided to go lightweight flywheel. And then I got the then it started running. Changed the spark plugs, started running, changed the timing belt, changed the fuel pump, intake gasket, changed these amount of things in it. And overall, I think I'm around like $2,800 into it, which is still cheaper than buying one of these without. One of these, nice, low miles, like 5-6 bands. I seen a couple I was gonna get, but found this one for 25, talking to 16, and yeah. Look at that on his way now, it's coming along. Public stuff. So I just want to get out here and show, you know, how I feel about it. It's a fun car, I like it. You know, highway, after, maybe, you know, meant for long highway pull, I'll tell you that ain't the fastest. But on the street, it's pretty quick. Got some races lined up here soon, see what it gets down with. Already got a Chrysler 300, so let's see what else I can get. Probably race the G. I'm trying to race the SI. Maybe a Type R and get smoked still, but you want to see where it stands at. And then get full bolt-ons for it. What is it? Intake, exhaust, cooling spacer, tune. It should be at 300 horsepower. But the thing is, thing's a little heavy, so I'm gonna have to figure that one out. But yeah, for right now, shit, this reminds me of my old one. I like it a lot and fun car. Just gotta make it look better by getting the hood and bumper. You know, that's his wrap. This ain't really much of a sought after car, whatever it's called. We don't even fuck with these cars, but you know, I do because I grew up with it. Now I got my second one. So I get it looking right. Get out here and say, you know, how I feel about it. Look at it, looking good like this. Yeah, I hope I'm not shaking now. Probably am. So I'm gonna put the camera down. Peace. How to get it. This right here is a true duo right here with these two cars. Man, it was good seeing these two back together. Oh, might have brown mark right there.